still we have not make it as a foreign key. Why? Because still we have not created that department table. So today we are going to create that department table. Okay, so today I am using the pen. Okay, now let me create department table. So okay, we are creating department table. Is this thing is clear, visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. Now creating the table, create table, create table. Which table we are creating? Department. DPARTMENT, department table we are creating. Then we will be having these things. What are the attributes? D name is there. D name, it is of where okay, it is of where the size will be 15. Okay, and see here now, every department is having the name, hence it is not null. It is not null. Constant is what? Not null constraint. Not null constraint. Clear? No, not null constraint. Second, department number, DNO, okay, or DNUMBR, DNUMBR, department number. It is of type what? Int. It is of type int. See here now, previously what we have taken, here also we have taken, where is this? Yeah, here, department number. Here the attribute name is DNO, but in the department table, what is that department number? DNUMBER. Attribute names are changing. Okay, but data type is same. Data type is same. Clear? Then here int, then it is also not null. It is also not null. What is the constraint? Not null constraint. Got it? And department will be having the manager SSN, MGR SSN. It is of type what? It is of type char, CHAR9. See here now, CHAR9. So every department will be having manager, hence this is also not null. This is also not null. Clear now? See here now, CHAR character size 9. What is there? See here now, where is that SSN? Yeah, here SSN number is here. Here we have taken it as a SSN. Here the data type is char9. Character maximum size is 9 characters you can give it. Got it? So here in the department table, manager SSN is a foreign key, hence it must be same as the primary key. It must be same as its original parent key, okay, which is there in the where employee table. Okay, it is a SSN is a primary key in the employee table. What is the size? Data type character, and what is the size? 9. Similarly, now here MGR SSN is a foreign key. Okay, its data type is character and size is 9. Got it? Then one more, manager start date, MGR start date. It is a attribute. Okay, when he has started, so its type is date, data type is date. Okay, then Which is the primary key in this? Which is the primary key? Which is the primary key in this table? In department table, which is the primary key?
Department number, sir.
Yes, DNUMBER. Department number is a primary key. And which is a foreign key? Foreign key.
MGR is the same, sir.
FOREIGN, foreign key. Foreign key is MGRSSN. MGRSSN is a foreign key. Then your department name should be unique. It should be unique because there is only one department, like MCA. There is only one department in the college. There are no two MCA department. There is only one CS department. There is only one ENC department. Like this, department name should be unique. So unique is also constraint. Unique. What is that? Which key? It is a D name. D name is a unique. So these are the things. Hence with semicolon. See here now. Here in this unique we have taken. What is this? Unique, because every department name should be unique and it should not be null. Got it? So every department will be having the name and it should be unique. Hope it is clear. Is this table is clear? Department table? Friends, having any doubt? Is it clear?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Then we'll create the table for department location. We'll create the table for department location. Where is this? Department location. Department location. Create table. We are create table. What is the name of that? DEPT locations. DEPT underscore locations. DEPT, create table DEPT locations. Now here locations. The department locations are having two attributes. One is, what is that? D number. It is of type int. This is of type int and not null. Not null. Clear? And another one is delocation. Delocations. Here it is varchar size is 15. Size is 15. This is also not null. Why it is not null? Because whenever a department is there, it has to be there in the somewhere, in some place, in some location. Hence it is not null. Got it? And which is the primary key here? Primary key is, as we discussed, primary key is, what is that? Here department number and department location both together. D number comma, D location are primary keys. D number and D locations are primary keys. And which is foreign key? Yes. Oh. In the previous table, what we did, just we mentioned it here. Foreign key. Which is foreign key? MGRSSN is a foreign key. But here it is not complete. Here we should mention from which table. References. See here now. References. References. Okay. References. Which table? Employee table. Employee table. In that employee table, which attribute? SSN attribute. SSN attribute. Here it is. See here now. It means foreign key means, which is the foreign key? Manager SSN is a foreign key. Where is that? This manager SSN is a foreign key. Now, why it is a foreign key? Because it is a primary key of another attribute, another table. Which table? Employee table. So, whenever it is a foreign key, it references employee table. In that employee table, it will go for SSN attribute. SSN attribute is a primary key in that. Got it? Similarly, here also, in foreign key, which is a foreign key here? In this, which attribute is a foreign key? Department number.
Department number, sir.
Department number. Department number is a foreign key. Okay. Which table it references? It references which table? Department table. Okay. Because in that department table, department number is a primary key. Okay. So it is referencing the department. Okay. There which DNO department number is a primary key in that department. Hence it is referencing that. Got it? So this is about foreign key. So this is about department location. Is there any doubt over here? All of you?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Now we're going to create one more table, project table. Project table. Project table. Okay. So create table project. Create table project. Okay, what are the attributes of that? Project table will be having the P name, project name, it is of varchar, project name is varchar, the size is maximum 15 characters and it is not null because every project will be having name. So not null. Not null. Got it? Then similarly every project will be having the number P number, project number, then it is of int, and this is also not null. Not null. Then This project will be carried out in some location, P location, and varchar 15 okay. Then it is handled by or controlled by some department, D number, okay, DNU, D number, okay. It is of type int. Now you tell me which is primary key, which is foreign key here. This is also not null. Now tell me which is a primary key here.
Project number, sir.
Primary keys, project number, okay, P number, okay. P number is a primary key, okay. Then unique, which is a unique, project name is unique. Which is project name, P name is, because every project name will be different, okay. Then which is foreign key?
D num, sir.
Foreign key is D num. D num is a foreign key, okay. Which table it is referencing?
Department
References, okay. Don't write only references, okay. Department table. Department table, in that D and O attribute it is referencing, okay. So it references department, okay. There it is, department number, no, okay. What it is, D and O it is there, or in the department what is there? D number is there, DNUMBR, okay. It is D number. Just a minute, let me erase it. Okay, it is referencing DNUMBER, department number from the this completes project table. When you create this table, so I'll come back to that, okay. See, next, project table we have created, and create works on table, works on table, create table, works on underscore it is works on, okay. So here table create works on, then here ESSN number is there, okay, which is character type char 9, it is not null, okay. Then project number, PNO, it is of type int. This is also not null, because he has to work for some project. how many hours he is working, hours. Okay, this is decimal 3 comma 1. So I'll going to discuss in detail about the data types in tomorrow's class. Got it? Then not null, not null. Here, which is a primary key here in this table? Which is primary key?
ESSN and project number both are together.
Yes, exactly. ESSN and comma project number PNO, both together, these are the primary keys. Very good. Okay, now which is a foreign key here? Foreign key.
Project number.
Project number is a foreign key. Okay, PNO is a foreign key which references project table, which references project table, their P number. In that, this attribute, it will go to the references project number. And is there any other foreign key here? Is there any other foreign key? Which one?
No, sir.
No. Soumya? Is there any other foreign key? Sumaya?
No, sir.
No. Riya?
No, sir.
No. Sujit? Lina? Lina?
No, sir.
No. Snehal?
No, sir.
See, what about ESSN? It is a SSN, no? Here we have taken it as a different name, employee SSN. It is same as own that SSN itself, right? Which is there in the employee table. So it is also foreign key. Got it? FO. It is also foreign key. Which one? ESSN. ESSN is also foreign key which references why the battery is low. Just a second. References employee table, there it is referencing SSN number. Okay, these two are the foreign keys. Okay, this is works on table. Just a moment, let me check whether power is there or not. Power is just a minute. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay, sorry for disturbance. Yeah. We have created works on table. One more table is there, last table, that is dependent table. Dependent table. Let us create that table. Create table dependent. Dependent. Okay. Which are the attributes of that? ESSN. ESSN is a one attribute. Its data type is character, maximum 9, because same thing is there in the employee table. So it should be there, means it is not null. You cannot keep it blank. Then department name. Department name, in which department that particular employee is working. Okay, so it is where here a department name, not a number. Where char. Okay, this is also compulsory, not null. Not null. Then sex of an employee, dependent. Char. Then B date. Birth date, it is of type date. Then relationship. Okay, it is where char of 8. Okay, then tell me, which is the primary key here?
Dependent name, sir.
Which one?
Dependent name, sir.
Dependent name. Okay, so yeah, here it is dependent. Dependent name. Okay, dependent name. Then ESSN number. Okay, very good. ESSN number. These two are the primary keys. Then foreign key. Foreign key.
ESSN, sir.
ESSN.
Department.
It is not a department, Kiran. It is a dependent name. It is a dependent name. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Dependent name.
Yeah. It is, dependent name is not a foreign key. See, assume your father is an employee. He is having some ESSN number. Okay. Your name is a dependent. You are depending on your father, right? Your name it is dependent name. You are depending on your father. Got it? Your sex is male, then birth date is so and so. Okay, relationship is son. Got it? This is how it is. Got it? Your name, it is dependent name is your name. Got it? Foreign key is an ESSN number. Then references, employee table, there it is referencing SSN number. Okay, this is great. When you do this, it will going to create dependent table. Is all the tables are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here now, when you execute this, okay, schema will be created like this. Here it is dependent and which are the attributes? First one is ESSN, then dependent name, then sex, then b date, then relationship, then okay, these are the attributes. So table will be created like this. Here table will be created like this. This is the name of the table and these are the attributes: ESSN, dependent name, sex, birth date and relationship. Here which is the primary key? ESSN number and dependent name. These two are the primary keys. Got it? Now when you execute this works on table, create this, so it will going to create a table like this, works on, okay, which are the attributes? ESSN, okay, then next is project number and hours. These are the attributes of this works on table, which is a primary key, ESSN number and project number is a primary keys. Got it? Then when you execute this project table, so what happens? Project table, so here P name, then P number, then P location, D number, then okay, only this much. These are the attributes. This is how the table will be created when you execute. Which is a primary key here? Project number. This is the primary key in this table. Got it? So when you create this department location, DPT location, D number and D location. These two are the only attributes. Okay, so which is a primary key here? Both together, department number as well as D location, both of them are the primary keys. Then department table. When you create this table, DEP, department table, okay, here D name is there, then D number is there, manager SSN is there, MGR SSN, then MGR SSN start date, MGR start date, MGR, what is that? STA, start date, date is there. These are the 4 attributes of a department table. The table will be created like this. This is the department table. Which is the primary key here? Department number. So here it is a department number is the primary key. Okay. So when you create this employee table, how the employee table will be? Employee. Okay. Here F name, MI in it, last name, then ASSN, address. I'm not going to write completely here, so because of shortage of space. Okay, then sex, then salary, then super SSN, then DNO. Okay, see, these are the attributes of an employee table. First name, last name, initial, address, sex, salary. Okay, then these two, super SSN, department number. These are the attributes of employee table. Here SSN number is the primary key. Is it clear now? Hope
Yes, sir.
except this data types, creating the table is clear for all of you.
Yes, sir.
If you are having any doubts, please ask the question, don't mind.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, no doubts. Okay, so this is how you need to create the tables. In tomorrow's class, I'm going to discuss about